Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's read the question. Find the value of log 5 if log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So the value of log 2 is given, that is 0.3010, and we need to find the value of log 5. So if I want to use the given information, that is the value of log 2, I must write log 5 in terms of log 2. And also for both the logarithms, the base is not given. So for any logarithm, if the base is not given, we have to understand the base is 10. So that is the logarithms have common logarithmic base 10. So here we have log 5. So now I am trying to write this log 5 in terms of log 2. Then only I can use the value 0.3010. So because the base is not given, I assume the base is 10. So log 5, the 5 can be written as 10 divided by 2, because I need to write this log 5 in terms of log 2. So for that purpose, I am writing 5 as 10 divided by 2. Here I am using the fundamental law. So that is log m divided by n is equal to log m minus log n. So I am using the fundamental law here. So when I compare this one to log m divided by n, instead of m I have 10, instead of n I have 2. So I get log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. So the value of this logarithm is just 1 minus the value of this logarithm, that is log 2 to the base 10, is already given in the question, that is 0.3010. When I subtract 0.3010 from 1, I get 0.6990. So the value of log 5 to the base 10 is 0.6990.